Hello everyone, I'm Akanksha Mishra and you are watching TMB Academy. Think about your favorite food items like biscuits, fruit juice, or packaged snacks. They don't come to you directly from farms. They go through a food processing unit where ingredients are cleaned, cooked, mixed, packed, and stored. But how do we know these factories are following safe practices? That is where ISO 22003 Category C plays an important role. It ensures that food processing companies follow international food safety rules and systems before the product reaches you. Now, what is ISO 22003 and what does Category C cover? ISO 22003 is a standard that helps certification bodies audit and certify food businesses based on ISO 22000, which is the main standard for food safety. It divides the food chain into different categories. Category C is for food and feed processing, where raw food is turned into ready-to-eat or packaged food. This includes everything from meat processing to chocolate making, from bottled juice to frozen meals. If food is changed, processed, or packed in a factory, it belongs to Category C. What kind of companies fall under Category C? Category C covers a wide range of food-related industries, such as snack manufacturers like chips, noodles, namkeen. Beverage companies include juice, bottled water, soda. Meat and seafood processing factories, milk and dairy product units for cheese, curd, butter. Spices and masala manufacturers, ready-to-eat and frozen food makers. Confectionery and chocolate factories, cereal and flour mills. Even companies that make pet food and animal feed are included if they process ingredients. Now we will talk about the common food safety risk in processing units. Food processing companies face many challenges that can affect food safety. Some common risks are raw and cooked food getting mixed, that is cross-contamination, machines not cleaned properly between uses, pests in storage areas, workers not following hygiene rules, using expired or low-quality ingredients, incorrect cooking or chilling temperatures, no system to recall products in case of complaints. If these issues are not handled well, food may become unsafe even if it looks good. Now, what auditors check in Category C factories? When a company applies for ISO 22000 certification, auditors from certification bodies visit the site and perform a detailed check. They look for real evidence that systems are in place. For example, are cleaning and maintenance records updated daily? Is raw material stored separately from final products? Are workers wearing hairnets, gloves, and clean uniforms? Is pest control being done regularly and properly recorded? Can the company trace back the source of ingredients? Is there a plan to handle product complaints and recalls? These audits are very detailed because processing units are the most sensitive part of the food chain. Now let's discuss the benefits of certification under Category C. Getting ISO 22003 Category C certification brings many powerful benefits to companies. Safer food products with fewer risks, more trust from customers and clients, easier access to international markets, less wastage and better production control, strong internal systems with proper training, protection from legal risk or food safety incidents, improved staff discipline and accountability. Certification is not just for show, it improves every part of the business. Every factory has the power to protect lives. Food processing is more than mixing ingredients. It is about protecting people's health. A small mistake in a factory can lead to sickness for hundreds of people. That is why ISO 22003 Category C is so important. It brings discipline, safety, and trust into food production. Whether you run a chocolate company or a dairy unit, ISO helps you grow responsibly and globally. Thanks for watching this guide. If this video helped you, please like and share it. And don't forget to subscribe for the next video in the series. And I, Akanksha Mishra, will see you in the next session of TNB Academy.